Hello everyone, welcome to a new channel where we will repair and restore the old phones with the new parts. So today we have a Xiaomi Redmi Mi Max 3 with a broken screen and as well not very good shape of the back cover. But anyway, it's okay, we will replace it. I have bought a new parts and as well a new battery. So let's start. First of all, we need to remove SIM tray right here. I can't turn off the mobile phone because screen is not allowed me to do that. So yeah, okay. Then we must to unscrew those two screws in the bottom. Okay. Okay, now we must remove a back cover. Better to do it with the plastic ones, but I change everything, so it no matter for me, because I will change everything. We must be very careful because there is a fingerprint and there is a flex cable. Okay. Yes, already done. Now we must unscrew these screws, as you see. Yeah, we already unscrewed those screws. We must carefully remove this piece. Okay, not all, not all. One head left. Okay. Oh. Now, yep. Very carefully we must to turn out the battery flex and all other flex to not disturb us. There is two, I guess, screws that holding the motherboard. So unscrew them, this one and this one. Okay, now we can take off the motherboard very carefully. Oh, I forget to disconnect one cable, small one. Be careful with that. It goes right here, as you see. Oh, that's it. Yay! We take it off. Okay, now I already have removed stickers of battery, and now we remove the old battery, as you see. Next step will be, I guess, this one flex. It's volume up and volume down, and as well power off flex. We must to take it out from here very carefully, as you see from this side. I don't know if my camera focus it like that. Yep. Okay, I already removed that. As you see, it's very tiny and small. It's not focusing. Oh, okay. Next will be a dynamic. Is right here. Damn. Okay. Yay. It was very fast. Small one as well. Next, the bottom one, dynamic for music. There is a charging port. We need to unscrew those 5 screws. It's here, as you see. Let's go. And we have done with that. As you see, we can carefully remove that plastic thing. Okay. It is glued, so be careful. Perfect. Now you should disconnect the main flex like we have done it on the motherboard. So here we as well must very carefully to disassemble that charging port and other stuff, and it is screwed by, I guess it's screwed. We will check here, this one thing. No, it's only glued, so it was very simple. Okay, we must take it off, put it here, and now left only the vibrate motor remove and the main flex, this one, because I put it on the new one screen. I ordered it with the frame, so let's go. Okay, we're already done with that as well. As you see, be careful with the flex, so first better to heat it a little bit, as well with the vibrate motor. We are now prepared to move everything to the new screen. So first we need to peel off all this, how to say, plastics that saves the glue, blue one. Okay, I already peeled off all this plastic, so now we can start to put everything back. Dynamic, nice. Okay. Again, check the flex, volume up, volume down, and turn off button. If it's stay in his place normally, fit. Okay. Now we can put a motherboard. Be very careful and gently, like with woman. Okay, so now we must take those 2 screws that was holding it. One goes here. and another one goes here, I guess. Okay. So the next step will be to connect this one flex here. Okay. Another one, we will take the flex from here. It's the main that connects main motherboard with the lower charging port and other board, so like that. Okay. Sorry that I didn't show you everything, how to unscrew and install, because I am very slow. I guess you understand me. Okay, now don't forget the vibrate motor to install. Okay. Here it must go. Nice. And as well the charging port board here. Okay, everything is fine. Okay. Now we can put the plastic with the speaker back. Oh no, sorry, I didn't connect the flex cable. As you see, that's why I'm slow and turn every time. Okay. No. Okay. Try to stick it out. It's very difficult for me because, as you see, I have problems with my fingers. Okay. Finally, thanks God, I connected. Okay, now I can put this plastic back. Don't do my mistakes and everything will be alright in your case. Okay, I put back all 5 screws, and we must to put the cable. It's a small one, as you remember from the side, very carefully back. Do it very slow because the cable is very small and can be easily damaged. I've done that before, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay. Not like that. Okay. Oh. As well, it's difficult to me to put it back. Thanks God, yeah, I put it back and connect properly. So now we need to put a new one battery. I ordered it as well. Yay! one moment, I will put stickers here. Okay, we can put it back here. Strange. Another side? Serious? Okay, I will check. Now everything fine. That's just new battery, so everything's connect perfectly and fit. So now we can put on this metal piece and screw it with the screws. Okay, here I already screws everything. So now left, I guess, the back cover. We need to take off fingerprint. Be very careful. Heat it like I do, but not too much. Put it with the finger. Okay. Yay. Okay, nice one. Next one will be the flashlight of the camera. As well, I already had heated and tried to put it out, but no. Okay. Where's my helper? Okay, be careful. That's it. And the microphone. Don't forget this one as well. Oh. That's it. Finish. We can put in the new one. Oh, beautiful. Don't forget to remove those plastics as well. Okay, I peel off all those plastics, so we can try to put back the fingerprint. Try to do it properly and from first time. Not like me from the fifth one or something like that. Then we take a flash. Okay. And the microphone. Okay, yeah, fits perfectly. Thanks God. Now we can put back the cover, but first we need to connect fingerprint to the motherboard. See here. Oh, it will be very funny now and very long. Huh, no, I'm very fast. Speedy Gonzalez. Okay. Now we can put it back very slowly, not to damage anything. Because I know myself. I can do it very fast. Okay, new parts. One goes in very easy. Yep, it's nice. Yee. Okay, so don't forget about the screws in the bottom. This one. Focus, please. Yes. Okay, we finished with that. Thank you, camera. So the moment of truth. Try to... Hey, thanks God, it's work. Woohoo! I forget to put on the SIM tray with the SIM card. Not yet. Okay, wait a second. Not today. It's all that woman's fault. Okay, I insert the SIM card. Yeah, it's okay. It's showing us 4G. Okay. Camera works perfectly. Yep. That's it. I put as well a new cover, plastic one, and a screen protector. I already ordered it. So thank you that you have joined me today. Sorry if I waste 22 minutes of your life. And see you on the next episode. I don't know, maybe in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. See ya, take care, mate.